Just enough difference, you know.
Definitely sounds a lot better.
Oh yeah.
Now it actually sounds like it has a V8 in it. I mean, before it did too, but now it's just got a little bit more.
So now I don't listen to my radio that much.
Just listen to the exhaust.
Yeah.
Guy films and talks on his camera all the time.
Yeah.
Lots of practice, I guess.
I haven't watched any of his stuff for a long time.
I know. Oops. Copper. Alright guys, that was the Solo Performance axle back exhaust on a 6.2 liter Chevy SS 6-speed manual. It sounds really good. It's got little pops to it, but it's not like overwhelming to where, you know, when you're driving in 5th and 6th gear, all you hear is this crazy drone. It's got a little bit of tunability to it, so you don't get that crazy drone in it, but it sounds real good. It's got a nice deep tone, so if you're looking for exhaust for your SS, check out Solo Performance. Big shout out to my buddy Joe, who came by here and showed me this exhaust. I told you guys we'd get it put on today, so we actually put it on over the weekend, but I couldn't be here whenever it got put on, so sorry I didn't get a video of that. But appreciate everybody watching. Hit the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. A lot of cool videos that come in 2019. See you guys on the next video. Hit that thumbs up button. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good night.